Alright, here we come to the elevator at Century Center in Bryan, Texas. This is a Montgomery that has an epic sounding motor. I'm getting a better retake on this. Look at this beautiful cab. Check this out. How slow that door is. It's got the old bumper, and there's James. Wow, so bright. I'll go for one more ride, just hear that motor. Indicator barely works. These are your fixtures. Can I get a still picture? Look at that Montgomery nameplate. I believe Justin has that in his collection. So, Justin, if you're watching this video, I hope you like this. I know you like Montgomery elevators, so. There's your phone. This door is heavy. Alrighty, let's go back down to one end there. There's James and Daniel. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.